Welcome to Red 20, located in the heart of the Northeast Minneapolis Riverfront Art District. Our B5 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom split-corner layout offers 1,240 square feet of luxury living. One of the great many features of this home is the entry foyer and closet. Floor-to-ceiling windows, an open-concept layout, and great walkout patio or balcony make this home a dream. The living space opens to either a walkout patio adjacent to the rooftop deck or a balcony. The centerpiece of your kitchen is a large island with bar seating, great for entertaining and casual dining. The kitchen gets major style points with a timeless subway tile backsplash, quartz counters, undermount sink, espresso cabinetry, Energy Star rated stainless steel appliances, and convenient USB outlets. The living space is a spacious 17 by 13 and will easily accommodate large pieces of furniture. Flooring is an easy-to-clean luxury vinyl plank. The corner home has floor-to-ceiling windows on two sides, filling the space with natural light. Whether you're furnishing a home office, personal fitness studio, or second bedroom, this space is inspiring with floor-to-ceiling windows, large closet, USB outlets, space for a queen-size bed with nightstands, and a modern sliding barn door to the living space. The generous master suite easily accommodates a king-size bed with nightstands, has convenient USB outlets, and offers a luxurious ensuite bath including a large walk-in shower, double vanity offering tons of storage and counter space, and a huge walk-in closet with built-in shelving. The second bath offers a full tub and shower. A large walk-in laundry room with extra storage tops things off. Welcome home.